Hi, this is the College of Further Education and Training in Raheen, where our apprentices come to train, and it's a facility which is run by our Education and Training Board in conjunction with Solas. And there's hundreds of these training centres up and down the country, from Letterkenny right down to Kerry. We also train our apprentices, as you know, in our technological universities. So today we're announcing a fund of €17.1 million to allow capital upgrades in our training centres and in our technological universities. We gave 20 million into that fund last year, so it's almost 40 million euros in 2 years. So we're doing a lot in the apprenticeship space. We have 65 apprenticeships on offer at the moment, and we're developing a further 20 apprenticeships. And we need these skilled workers in our economy, in our construction sectors, in all the different sectors of our economy. So we're putting a lot of resources into this space, and we're investing in these training centres so that the apprentices and the trainees will have top-class training facilities to gain their qualifications.